Hey, Mackenzie, I thought it'd be easier for me to just work this out with you using my webcam. So I'm going to do this real quick. If you still have questions, bring them to class tomorrow. But like you said, we're going to look at the first two terms, figure out their GCF, factor it out, look at the back two terms, figure out their GCF, factor it out. And then what remains should match. And sometimes if they don't, that just means the polynomial is not factorable. So then you would choose that as your option on your home screen on MyMathLab. So I don't know if this is the same problem you have, but if not, we can at least work it out. It is 2x here. 10 and 4 have 2 in common, and x squared is actually what we're going to pull out. So we'll do 2x squared, which will leave us with 5x, because 10 divided by 2 is 5. You had 3 x's, you took one away, or 2 away, so you have 1 left. Negative 4 divided by 2 is a negative 2, and no variables remain because you took all of x squared. Now on this back half, we want 5x minus 2 to remain. So 3 is the GCF, and it's a positive 3. When I do that, I have 15 divided by 3 is 5. I didn't touch the x, he's still there. Negative 6 divided by 3 is a negative 2. And this is the part that MyMathLab is telling you. Notice that they do have a matching GCF. So if you don't, I would just double check that you wrote it correctly, because I actually wrote this as a 9 originally and things were not matching up. So I had written the problem down wrong. So make sure you wrote that down correctly. Or make sure you're just dividing correctly, because you do want these to match up. So 5x minus 2 is the first binomial, and then what remains, 2x squared plus 3 is the second binomial. But sometimes you might not get them to work, so you can try rearranging them to see if that helps. But if that still doesn't help, sometimes it's just not factorable. So you're going to see me for a second, okay? I'm going to change this to my webcam. Hi, and I want to share my screen with you to show you that this is an option on MyMathLab. So notice the polynomial is not factorable as an option as well, okay? So I don't know if that's showing you or me or what's going on. So what we have there is sometimes it's not factorable, so you might have to choose B, but if it is factorable, you would choose A, and you would put those two binomials in there. I hope that helps you, okay? Let me know if not.